Welcome back to World Explorer Mind WEM, where we uncover the stories shaping our world today. And every week we dive deep into the past, present, and future of our world. From hidden histories to global game changers, you're watching World Explorer Mind WEM. If you enjoyed this video, please consider subscribing to join our community. Your support means so much. A quick subscription helps me keep making content you'll love. I really appreciate you being here. If you want to see more content like this, be sure to hit that subscribe button. Let's get started. Trinidad and Tobago, a dual island nation in the Caribbean, offers a unique travel experience that goes beyond the typical beach vacation. From vibrant culture and delicious cuisine to stunning natural wonders, here are 15 reasons why you should travel to Trinidad and Tobago. Experience the greatest show on earth. Trinidad's Carnival is one of the world's most famous and exhilarating festivals. The pre-Lenten celebration is a spectacle of elaborate costumes, pulsating music, especially soca and calypso, and street parades that embody the country's lively spirit. Unleash your inner foodie. Trinidadian and Tobagonian cuisine is a delightful fusion of African, Indian, Chinese, Indigenous, and European influences. You must try doubles, a beloved street food, as well as bacon shark, roti, and curried crab and dumplings. Explore diverse landscapes. The two islands offer vastly different environments. Trinidad is home to lush rainforests, savannas, and secluded beaches, while Tobago is known for its more serene, classic Caribbean atmosphere with white sand beaches and turquoise waters. Witness the world's second-largest leatherback turtle nesting ground. Between March and August, thousands of giant leatherback turtles come ashore to lay their eggs on Trinidad's beaches, an unforgettable natural spectacle and a must-do ecotourism activity. Go birdwatching. Trinidad and Tobago is a birdwatcher's paradise with over 470 species of birds. The Coroni Bird Sanctuary is a protected mangrove wetland where you can take a boat tour to watch thousands of scarlet ibises, the national bird, fly home to roost at sunset, discover hidden waterfalls. The islands are dotted with beautiful waterfalls perfect for a refreshing dip after a hike. Popular spots include Argyle Waterfall in Tobago and Rio Seco Waterfall in Trinidad. Relax on stunning beaches. From the famous Maracas Bay in Trinidad to the picturesque Pigeon Point Beach and Englishman's Bay in Tobago, you'll find a wide variety of breathtaking beaches for swimming, snorkeling, and sunbathing. Swim in the nylon pool. Take a boat trip to this natural, shallow pool formed by a sandbar off the coast of Tobago. The crystal clear, warm waters are said to have rejuvenating powers. See the world's largest brain coral off the coast of Little Tobago. Divers can explore a majestic underwater world and see the largest single brain coral colony in the world. Hike through the oldest protected rainforest. The Tobago Main Ridge Forest Reserve is the oldest protected rainforest in the Western Hemisphere, offering incredible hiking trails and a chance to see a wide array of flora and fauna. Experience a rich and welcoming culture. The people of Trinidad and Tobago are known for their friendliness and vibrant, multi-ethnic culture. You'll find a harmonious blend of traditions from various backgrounds, reflected in their music, festivals, and daily life. Visit the Lawbrie Pitch Lake, known as the eighth wonder of the world. This is the largest natural deposit of asphalt on the planet. You can walk on its semi-solid surface and learn about its geological significance. Discover the birthplace of the steel pan. Trinidad is the birthplace of the steel pan, the only acoustic musical instrument to be invented in the 20th century. You can experience the instrument's unique and melodic sounds at various events and panyards. Enjoy uncrowded destinations. Unlike some more crowded Caribbean islands, Trinidad and Tobago is considered a hidden gem with less mass tourism, offering a more authentic and laid-back experience. Hike the Bamboo Cathedral near Port of Spain. You can walk through a surreal natural archway formed by towering bamboo stalks that bend toward each other, creating a unique and picturesque cathedral effect. Hey, before you go, if you're benefiting from any of this content, Please share your success story to help inspire others. Make sure to leave a comment. That's today's story. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this, don't forget to like, subscribe, and join me for the next one more stories coming your way soon. Don't just watch history, be part of it. Subscribe and join the journey. Thanks for watching World Explorer Mind WEM.